There's that. What's up, guys? Hopefully you guys traded well out there today. I gotta edit this video quick. Just getting everything set up. Hopefully you guys had a great trading day. Change documents. Today's gotta be 211, I think. Boom, save. What's going on, SS Trader Gamer? What's going on, Baka? Hope you guys are doing well out there. Let me post that I'm live now. Just making a quick post here. 1K trading for small caps. Gotta go there. Then I gotta go on social media quick. VIP sub. I'm used to it, man. I don't really blame him sometimes because I turned 1,000 into 1,000,000 in 210 business days. 1,000 into 3.8 million in 210 business days. There we go. Don't necessarily blame him. Because it sounds crazy, but at the end of the day, it's up to those guys to do their DD, man. If it's people who are calling me out, those people are the ones that either don't put in time, they don't study, they're not spending their time on the right things. But the main thing is, if you have haters, that means they're spending time on the wrong thing, and that's fine. I'm always gonna have haters. I'm used to that, because at the end of the day, turning 1,000 into 3.8 million in 210 business days, it sounds so fake, it's stupid. But trust me, there's a guy on Twitter. Thanks to you guys who have tagged me in it, I'm reaching out to him. I think his name is Chris Cameo. He's got about 100,000 followers on Twitter, about 54,000 followers on YouTube. It looks like he's a pretty solid trader himself, and I'm already entered into he's trying to find who has the biggest percentage gains in that contest. I have to verify all my statements. Yep, so I already reached out to him, said, I'm up 380%. And he was like, what the heck? I sent him all my statements. Gonna wait to hear back from him. I did hear back from him. He's gonna wait till all the entries are in, and then I'm going to go live with him on Skype to verify all my statements just for him to see that. Then when I win that, I'm like 95.5. I win that. I don't know anybody else on this planet who's done 380+% in 210 business days. But if there is full-on respect, as long as you're fully verified, which whoever wins Chris Cameo's contest is going to be without any question, full respect to those people. If they beat me, hats off. That's all I can say. I wanna meet you, and I wanna pick your brain. That's what I wanna do. But if not, looks like we have a winner, and that'll verify me even more. Eventually I'll probably go on CNBC and do some of these big things. But for right now, I'm just staying in my own lane, doing my own thing. Oops. And haters gonna hate, right? Haters gonna hate. But at the end of the day, if you put in the time to watch me every single day, to come on my YouTube lives, to see me fully verified, watch me for a month. you'll then be, and you'll then stop hating real quick. But I don't blame people. Just all I ask is if you're gonna hate, watch me for about a month, and then do your DD on that. But that's it, guys. So no, I know a lot of you guys. I know a lot of my loyal followers have been watching me see that. So I'm not really. Let's see here. I'm not really too worried about that. But I get it. I get it. So hopefully you guys follow me for about a month or so. Watch me come on here every day to go over my trades, and you will see. But I'm on like a 6-day losing streak, believe it or not. I'm not down insane. Today I'm down 21,000. But I know it's from this house. I was gonna honestly stop trading. I really was when I was going through the real estate process, and I even went and saw another house today because I'm not fully focused. I'm gonna be honest. My mind is not on this completely, 110%. But that's okay, guys, because I'm trying to do my best to manage both things. I'm here to help you guys as much as I can, and at the end of the day, I feel obligated to you guys. Even though it's a free chat room, I still feel obligation. I don't like not coming on. I don't like not being on here every day for you guys, because at the end of the day, I want to be as supportive as I can to you guys, and not only show you guys proof and verification of what I do, so at the end of the day, you can see I do make money, and that way I can be your mentor in a way. But at the best, obviously I want to make sure you guys are still learning, still getting content, and things like that, because my goal is to help every single one of you guys. Because at the end of the day, I remember being in a 120 square foot cubicle, didn't know where to turn, had no one to talk to, and I talked to myself in the past. I was like, what would I need? And I was like, you know what, I'd like to watch someone come on here every day and go over their trades, and everything that I had said to myself when I lost about half my net worth back then. I was like, this is what I need. I need someone who's proven themselves. I need someone who has a video series course. I need someone who has to show me how they find their stocks, which is my scanner. I need a chat room that creates ideas every single day. I would like to be in a room full of like-minded traders who've been trading for 20, 30 plus years. All these things are basically tools that I've created for you guys, talking to myself 3-4 years ago when I lost half my net worth. And now I've created all these things thinking back on what I needed, and that's what I've given you guys. So some are free, some are not, but at the end of the day, that is what it is. Yeah, Kyle, I've seen it. And honestly, I laugh at it every time. It's my bad. I tried to add something to my course, and I was completely wrong on it. But honestly, I don't use I don't use that concept of those candlesticks. I don't know really why I explained it, except for I wanted you guys to know, because if it helps you guys. But I still really don't know where the candlesticks close and open very well. I don't really need to, because that's not my strategy, really. It really is not at all. That just shows you don't need to know every little thing about trading. But yeah, I've seen it, and I still laugh at it to this day. And kudos to whoever put that out there, because it does look bad. But I laugh at it all the time. So just shows you don't need to, as long as you stay in your lane, understand your process, your strategy, your plan, things should open up as you get to be a better and better trader. So still funny to look back on that. But yeah, so basically, guys, KXIN, I was up pretty solidly to start the day. And then, OPTT kind of screwed me. And then Hertz screwed me as well. I really do like Hertz, though, going into Monday. This stock is the first stock I have ever seen that traded 1 billion shares in one day, guys. You heard me right. Oh, let me go on TikTok. Gosh dang it, I keep forgetting to go on TikTok. Sorry, guys. Let me go live on TikTok here. Okay, so go here, live. Should we add a cover photo? Why not? I gotta stay loyal to my followers on TikTok. There we go, we're live now. Okay, guys, so I'm live on TikTok as well, so that's awesome. That's awesome. Oh, what the heck is that? It's my water bottle. I don't know how that got back there. So yeah, guys. Again, hopefully you guys had a great trading weekend. Hopefully you guys or trading day. Hopefully you guys are learning every single day. You know, knowledge is power in this industry, guys. I can tell you time and 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 time again. Okay, and time again and time again and again and again, and maybe one more time. But then I'd say time and time and time again. You guys need to study, study, study. You know, in your free time, why don't you just go, you know, why don't you just have that urge to be like, you know what? Let's go to these charts and say, okay, what happened to Jivo over the past 2 weeks, right? What happened to Apple over the past month? What happened to Codex when it hit like 30 red days in a row? Nice pop off this volume candlestick. You can learn so much just by going over charts. Let's look at WWR, which seems to just be screwing me. This thing has just come straight down. How's it bounce? Not really. You can use Kirkland in the house. What's up? You can use all these things, okay, to put yourself in a better situation for next time. Because this is all reality. This is all, you know, yeah, petition. Sorry, John. I want to make sure everybody's on, but I guess I could go straight to it. I just get a lot of complaints when I do that, because then people don't get on. But what's going on, TikTok? Good to have you on. But anyways, guys, so MSN had a nice run as well. But guys, Hertz is the main focus today, guys. Look at this freaking monster. Okay, we traded 1 billion plus shares in 1 day on Hertz, guys. You heard me right. 1 billion plus shares in 1 day. I feel like I'm, what's that? $1 billion. It's on Austin Powers or something like that. I can't remember what he said, but look at this. I mean, I have never seen this in my career. People saying Jivo, that's wrong. Jivo did not trade 1 billion shares. It traded 991 million. And yes, that is different. Dr. Evil, yeah. When you hit 1 billion shares, you're going to hear, that's a big statement across the market, all right? I mean, yeah, we can go back to Jivo and look, but it's not the same. Jivo traded just short of 1 billion. Somebody said NIO, is that true? NIO? No, I don't see that. NIO did not trade 1 billion shares. Okay. Wait a minute. Was that in 1 day? No, it's not in 1 day, though. Let's go back to the yearly. Traded 500,000 shares. Hertz is the first company I have ever seen in my entire trading career to trade 1 billion shares. Roughly, I think it traded well over $2 billion today in trading volume and dollar amount, okay? Hertz is my top watch going into Monday, literally. When you see a stock trading that much volume, okay, obviously, the news on that is good. Number two, obviously, the shorts are trying to take advantage of that. But if they get trapped, they can cause serious squeeze to the upside. Number three, when you see this kind of volume, it does not shock me, especially with the kind of chart that it was showing. When you see a recovery like that, all the way from 160 straight up here, when you get above $3, guys, it's a clear break, and shorts are going to jam the cover button. Okay? Hertz is my top watch going into Monday for 2 reasons. One, I've never seen a stock trade over 1 billion shares in 1 day. Number two, obviously there is a ton of interest in this stock because it recovered. Now we're consolidating and looking for the next leg. You can tell shorts are risking off this area, this area, this area, this area. Okay, even after ours we had another tap, right? But if we get above this, there's going to be a massive clean sweep. I mean, this could hit $354+, okay, coming in Monday. I don't know. Who knows? But this has a lot of potential just on the fact of this has serious liquidity. Absolutely insane liquidity. What do I mean by liquidity? A lot of people are looking at this ticker. A lot of people are looking at this ticker. Those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. I'm live on there. I made 220 off Hertz. Awesome, awesome. I was actually in Hertz at 166 average in my long term. I ended up selling out like right in here at 259 roughly before the snap off. But I am watching this. This is my number one watch. I am overnight this stock in multiple accounts because I do have faith in this one. Now, I might pay the price. I don't know. No one really ever knows. But the liquidity on this thing and the shorts that are probably piling in can cause a multi-day breakout. And on top of that, we have all weekend for people to see this stock, which can create more liquidity, which can create more volume when someone sees something like this. And all this volume was on a Friday. Wait till you get to a Monday. A Friday generally is lower volume. Okay? No one ever knows what's going to happen to this thing. They might have good news, this gaps to 5. They might have bad news, it gaps down to $152. I don't know. But I'm willing to risk it because of the risk reward on this stock. It is so rare that you get a stock that trades this much volume in one day. So rare. In fact, I've never seen it in my entire trading career. Okay? That's just the God honest truth. But anything can happen. Okay? I'm up pretty good unrealized on the stock. I got a pretty good entry for my overnight. I think it's like 247, 248. In my inherited IRA, it's like 245. Okay? And I'll very rarely tell you what overnight I'm in. But with this kind of liquidity on Hertz, HTZ, I don't care. I mean, I don't care at all. You know, that's just my game plan. Now, could this come back down? Of course it can. Will it? I have no idea. But what I do know, if shorts start to get trapped in this thing, ooh-wee, look out for the upside squeeze, because I've seen it before, and it can get nasty to the upside. But yeah, this is a rare opportunity, and that's where I'm at. So that's why I'm overnight Hertz going into the weekend. And who knows? Monday is a new day. I also like it because, SPI 2.0 exactly. I also like it because you have the whole weekend for shorts and longs to see this. So that usually causes a bigger squeeze to the upside. We had a nice push to 260 there for a moment. I wish this thing would just go straight to. We might get a squeeze at the close. I don't know. We still have 2 more hours. We might get a squeeze. We might get a squeeze up to 280, 290. I have no idea. But I don't know what the Hertz float is. But at the end of the day, they had good news on this one. And that's basically it. You know, I'm down 20,000. I'm up pretty good unrealized on this ticker symbol. I'm in pretty big on it. Very rarely will I tell you what I'm in, but I think there's pretty cool opportunity here. Now, I don't know what kind of news they're going to release. I don't know what kind of things are going to happen. I'm never projecting the future except for I know this has opportunity and I'm willing to risk it. My risk reward is measured out. Those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Those of you guys on TikTok, join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. But the float is probably huge. It doesn't matter because this thing traded over. This thing rotated its float over 6 times today. Literally. I think its float is 155 million. It traded 1 billion shares. When you see float rotation like that, my gosh, watch out. The more float rotation you get, the bigger the squeezes can happen. Always remember that. The more float rotation you can get, the bigger the squeeze can happen. Anyways, guys, that's it. If you guys are interested in learning my strategies, my course to help me turn 1,000, or my strategies and process and my plan that I turned 1,000 now in about 3.8 million, 210, 211 business days is right here. It's in the link in the description below on my YouTube. I'll send that link in the chat. Feel free to check that out. It's up to you if you want to learn my strategies or not. Please subscribe to the channel. Those of you guys, please subscribe. Click that subscribe button many times. Subscribe. subscribe. Okay, I know I have to say it one more time. Subscribe. Jam that subscribe button. It helps the NormackNoelTrading.com community out. Helps my community out. We're 110% free chat room. 110% today on free on YouTube. On TikTok we're free. On Instagram we're free. It's your course to understand. Yeah, I feel like that my course can be understood by very, very beginning traders, intermediate traders, and long-term traders as well, or advanced traders. Those of you guys looking for my Thinkorswim setup, I'm not going to give it out. Maybe I'll do like a big sale that includes it, but I'm not going to give it out right now. And yeah, guys, those guys on TikTok can join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Those guys on TikTok can join me on YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. Cam the Man is my YouTube. I appreciate all the good luck on the house hunting. It's been quite an adventure. Again, yesterday's video explained what happened with the house hunting. It's been insane. Today I went and looked. My agent took me out to a house that had great finished level quality by the builder. Not the house that I wanted, but he wanted to show me great quality finish on a house that was remodeled. And so I got to look at that today. So yeah, I'm learning a lot about real estate, but this whole week was basically mainly just covered for real estate. I had no other, this whole week was just covered for real estate. I didn't really focus much on trading, and that's why I've taken like 5 or 6 red days in a row. But no excuse, they're still red, they're still my fault, but we'll see what happens to Hertz coming in on to Monday. I hope it gaps to $3 or $3.50 or maybe even $4. That would be awesome for any of you guys who like the idea. If you don't like the idea, if you don't feel comfortable, do not take it. Trade your plan, trade your plan, trade your plan. Trade your plan. Don't come coming to me. I have a course to teach you guys my strategies, my process, learn from it. You can pick my brain on that course. You can see how I trade and see what I do. But at the end of the day, you still have to trade your own plan. It's up to no one else. You're the one clicking the button, so make sure to trade your plan. Make great decisions. And McCormick Woodsworth, yeah, look at McCormick. Wouldn't Hertz need even more volume on Monday than today for it to continue higher? Not necessarily, because it'll be pre-market, and after hours. It doesn't take nearly as much volume to move a stock. So that's how they can squeeze up and gap up even bigger. But it'll be interesting to see what happens. Batman's Butler. House tour soon. Yeah, when I ever get a house, I might buy a house that has a great view, and then remodel it. So it might be just under a year before I move in. Again, those of you guys subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate that. Smash that subscribe. Hit that like button. It helps the YouTube algorithm. Again, smash that like button. It would really, the algorithm and YouTube would really appreciate that for the NormackNoelTrading.com community. Smash that subscribe button. Check out all the links if you're interested in my scanner, my free chat room, my brokers that pays you up to 2 free stocks. Those guys on TikTok can see this all. Go to Cam the Man YouTube, Cam the Man YouTube, Cam the Man YouTube. Check that all out. And I will see you guys on Monday. Okay. Everybody have a great weekend. Stay safe out there. Enjoy your weekend. I can't wait for COVID to be over so we can go out and actually really enjoy our weekends. But it's where we're at. Stay safe out there, team. I appreciate every single one of you guys for the support. Cheers, team, and go Hawks.